Emmental, where they produce the world-known Emmental cheese. We visited Emmental Cheese Factory, or Emmentaler Schaukäserei, as is it called in German, where you can learn all about Emmentaler cheese, and you can also taste some of it. There are many things to see and do at a dairy. You can attend a cheese-making workshop, you can have a delicious meal at the restaurant, or you can attend self-guided audiovisual tour called Königsweg tour, aka Königsweg, like we did. The tour is 30 minutes long, and it is interesting for adults and kids alike. It is narrated by three lovely characters, the cow, the mouse and the cook, and tells the story about the history and the process of cheese making in Emmental Valley. For example, you can learn Emmental cheese have been crafted according to the original recipe that dates back to the 13th century. Also, the Emmental cheese holds the AOP seal of approval, which is a mark of high-quality products that are sourced and manufactured in the region of origin. The tour also explains the whole process of how cheese is made, from how the milk is produced to how the holes Emmentaler is famous for are made. Spoiler alert, there are no mice involved. At the end of the tour, you can observe cheese production in real time. When we were there, they already finished with their work, so this part wasn't very interesting. But seeing the storage room was. Each of these huge wheels measures between 80 to 100 centimeters and weighs from 75 to 125 kilos. Impressive, right? There is also a store where you can buy all sorts of things, from Swiss-themed souvenirs, Swiss chocolate, locally produced juices, yogurts, to all the delicious cheeses. For young visitors, there is also a cheese-themed playground. Our older son loved it. All in all, we enjoyed our visit. The tour was fun and we've learned some new facts about the cheese. The food at the restaurant was delicious. And the rural Emmental Valley is a beautiful and scenic place.